Using this video, you will be able to create your email account from which is provided by your Vatsalya International School. We need to activate that account first. So in this order, I'm making one demo to make you understand that which one has to be used. So in this scenario, I am sharing you the details. Can you see these details? Just now I have created one account teacher2 with a temporary password. I will using this one for the demo. Now, first of them, I need to create a Zoom ID with a school domain email. To do that, we have the option here to click on this link. When we click on this link, or you can go to Google and search for small Java small business mail. Then also you can go to this link. When you click on this one, now this email sign up option will come. On this first you need to provide the email ID. Now email ID will be provided from the as just now we created this teacher2 Zoom ID. We will be copying and pasting, and we are pasting on this ID, and the password which we are will getting will be temporary password. Can you see this password? I am just pasting this one on this. Now we click on sign. We'll ask you to change the password. I am showing you the password. Password should contain one capital letter, at least one capital letter, one small letter, and you can use one character, that is special character. Now I am creating here for you demo. Here D is capital. I use at the rate 1, 2, 3. It should be at least 8 letters. T. After this, click on this one and then continue. Now your password has been created. So using that password only, I will be logging to my email account. My email account was teacher2 just on the screen, and my password just now I created demo. Now when we click on it, this app password setup will come. You can just click it. I have done this password and take me to inbox. Click on it. Once you click on it, your email page will open. This is the criteria of opening an email account. This privacy setting will become, just go down, scroll down and click on I agree. So the first part of step 1 is done. Your email account has been activated now. To log in this one, you have to go to that same link, type your email account and the password, and it will be you will be able to log into the account. Now come to the second part. In the second part, you can see that step 2 is to create a Google account, Zoom account. So for that one, I need to click on Zoom, this link. And here I need to click here. First, we need to provide the date of birth. In this one, click on choose the day and choose the year. You need to be plus 18 for this one, cannot be below 18. After that, they will ask you to enter the email account. Email account will be account which was provided to us by the school. Our email account for the demo purpose is teacher2. Okay. This is my email account. Now I'm signing it. up, not sign in, sign up. Now here verification is there. You can just click on the verification. They will send you an email to your account. Now you need to open your account. The account, see, you will get this one. Please activate my Zoom account. Click on this one. Then click on activate account. Then they will give you the option, choose option on behalf of us. Then click on continue. Here I am giving the name teacher 2 and last name is demo. You can write your own name. Job title I am giving here teacher and school name school, and the email ID which is provided by the school. For this one I am using this email ID. So I will copy and pasting. Okay. This was the ID which you are working with, and then click on I agree, and then click on continue. Here you will get, here you can set your password. Again, this password is for the Zoom. The previous password was for the school ID. This is for Zoom. Here I'm writing. It might be same also. You can use different ID also. There is no issues in that case. And then click on continue. So your Zoom ID has been created. Now this is the basic ID. After that, we need to open that account. Here you need to fill the school account. Here you need to provide the school account, that is Vatsalya @ org, which I have already provided with to you in the Word file, and here we need to write the name of the school. School, first name is teacher and last name is demo, and after that size should be school website, international.org. Here you need to provide the number. I'm providing my number, and here it is India. When you click on submit button, when I click on submit button, I will get, once this is done, your email ID has been set up. Okay. If still you have any query, you can always call. No issue in that.